He has the hiccups. Oh, this is how you cure the hiccups. Hey, little boy. Hey, little boy, what are you doing? See, hiccups are all in the mind. They're nothing but psychological. And you just kind of get their mind off of the hiccups and you bash them around. Same with humans. Hiccups are all in the mind. To get rid of the hiccups for humans, what you got to do is you got to stand on your head and you got to swallow 1 teaspoon of sugar while doing a headstand upside down. That's what gets rid of hiccups for humans. No, anything that takes your mind off of it. See? The hiccups are gone. Any hiccups? Any hiccups? The hiccups are gone. Hey, you look like a gremlin off of the TV, you know, where you add water to them and you go, you put a drop of water and then they turn into a gremlin. All right. Signing off. Hiccups are gone. Bye.